Hello there. In today's class, all we're going to do is just talk over the question that you done the last day. Some students found it difficult, so I said I'd make a video on how to do this question properly. Some students got it on all right, but for the ones who didn't, make sure to watch this video now and make sure to redo the question and do it right. And you'll also have then another question and the two of them should be handed up then by the end of class. So in this video, all I'm going to talk about is talk through this question. So the first part of it is draw the elevation looking at arrow A. We've that done here. I've that done already because that's handy enough. You all got that right. Draw the end view then, which is beside it, looking in the direction of arrow B. I've that done here. Same again, you all get that right. So I just done that before I started the video. And then we just have to draw the development then of this Lifebuoy holder. So as you know straight away, the first thing we have to draw is just the back of it. So this elevation here, so the back piece of this Lifebuoy holder. So I'm just going to draw project my lines across. And as we know from elevation, this is 80. I can draw in these lines in heavy, these two side lines. And then I can also draw in the roof part, or the roof bit, in heavy as well, as we know this is. And then coming down in the middle then, I can bring down my middle line, bring it down the whole way as you need it later on for the development. From that line then, set our compass to 40. And just like the elevation, we're going to draw our semicircle. So that is the back part of the Lifebuoy holder drawn in development. That's the true shape as it just in development as we're looking at it perpendicular. So then we have to draw the roof. So all we're doing for the roof is just getting the two roof pieces and folding them backwards. And to do that, you need to come out from the 2 points at 90 degrees. So we're going to come out here at 90 degrees. As these lines here are at 30, you must come out at 60 to get 90 degrees. So come out here and come out at these 2 points as well at 60. And then as we're looking at the end view perpendicular, we have the true length or the true width of the roof. So you can take it from here. You can take your width from the end view, as you know that's the true length, and you can add it then to your drawing, and then you can draw in these the two roof pieces in heavy then. And these lines again are at 60 degrees. Don't forget it, they're 90 degrees to the 30 degree lines. So that's our two roof pieces folded out. We have our back piece, and now we're just going to develop our curve, and then the front semicircle. So the curve is going to fold down, and then it's going to fold out. So you're going to have near enough a straight line going across here. And then you're going to have the other semicircle the opposite way to this semicircle as it folds up and then it folds up again. So it's standing upright then when it folds up. So measure down 40 as that's the radius. Or no, sorry, measure down 25. As we're looking at the curve here, perpendicular at the end view, we know the correct width, and the width is 25. So you can measure down 25, or you can use the compass. So measure down 25, draw your line across here. And again then, to get the length here for this development, we divide our circle in elevation into 60, 30. So divide it into all possible angles with the 60, 30. One more here now. And we can number these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As 4 is in the middle, we can put in 4. So then either side of 4 then we have 3, so we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So work either side when you're developing a curve like this. As we know, these are all equal, so just take the length of 1 and you can use that then for them all. So the right side of 4 will go 1, 2, 3, and we'll number these then 5, 6, 7, and then we'll go the left side of 4. So 3 as well. We can number these then 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you can finish off then and draw in these lines, draw up these lines. So that there now is the curve part developed out. I think that was a lot of you probably struggled at the most. And then we're just going to draw it in heavy to finish it off. And then we need to just draw in the semicircle. And remember again, I told you it's the opposite way to this semicircle, as the semicircle folds up and then it folds up again then. So we just come out here at 40, as that's the radius of the semicircle. So that's given our point there. And we can draw a line across there if you want, because there will be a line across there. And we get our compass. We set it to 40. And we just draw in our line then. And that is our other semicircle, which is both connected at 4 and there. And then you can draw in your bottom line across then heavy. So the semicircle folds up and it's straight like this. Then your development or your curve folds up then as well, and your circle then will fold 90 degrees again. Then you'll have your curve which will unflatten out and come in, and you have your two roof pieces then that'll fold down, and that's your Lifebuoy development there and all the true lengths. And make sure you get your lengths then from your end view and your elevation. So that's one of your questions. If you didn't get that question right the last day, make sure you do it in this class and upload it. I have the second question here for the remainder of the class. Same again, question again. You have, I'm not going to do a video on this question. I want to see how you get on. Remember to draw the elevation looking in at the direction of arrow A. So draw the elevation looking in at here. Draw the end view looking in the direction of arrow B, so here. So you're going to have the same thing again. You're going to have the elevation here, and you're going to have the end view right beside it, and then you're going to just develop it over, and then draw out the development. And I'm just going to give you kind of like a heads up what's going to kind of look like when you develop it out. So you're going to have the back piece again. You're going to have the back piece again here, just like an elevation. As you're looking perpendicular to it, you have the true length, and you have kind of a half circle again. Then you have the two kind of side bits that come out here and go back to the bottom. Same over here as well. Develop these out. And then just like here, you're going to develop out the curve. Just like here, from the top point, divide your circle and elevation into 60 and 30, and you're going to have a line straight across here. And remember again, start in the middle, and you'll have 3 points either side. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's going to be your development developed out. So that is what it should look like when it's developed out. So I'm going to let you do that yourselves and see how we get on. So that's all you have then for the double class. Perfect, thank you.